guys, welcome to day 6 of our plastic free challenge, and today's topic for us is mascara. And the reason for the mascara is obviously it's all in plastic, in a plastic tube. So our alternative for this is to use cake mascara, and this is actually our best-selling item. So cake mascara is basically the waxes and oils that would be in this, and we've separated the water, the fluid agent, and the waxes and oils. We also provide a wetting agent, which is basically the water part that's usually present in the liquid mascara. So it makes it easier for application than just adding water. So you do really need a wetting agent that will emulsify the waxes so it goes on smoothly onto your eyelashes. Another reason why you want to avoid mascara in a tube as much as possible is that they have to put a lot of preservatives in, where we don't have to put any preservatives in the cake mascara. Plus there's usually a lot of harmful chemicals in most mascara. The liquid mascara that we sell doesn't really have many chemicals in it, but it still has preservatives. The other problem is that when you open your mascara, pop it back in, you introduce bacteria into the tube as well, which is not good for people who have sensitive eyes. So that was my pick for today, was mascara. What was your pick? Leave information in the comments below. So have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.